Max Beauty da amuhana welcome tawzari ngasigi share tawzariba singse affordable oiba skincare products kharane ahanbagi oina ngasi share tawzariba products singse akoigi most of the skin types na adum chanagani na khalle ngasigi video sida hapchari se face wash toner serum moisturizer eye cream aduga bonus oina aina aloe vera gel amasu hapchabane first of all ngasi products sing se rupees 500 ki makhada leiba ngaktane but sigi products sing se they all work very well ahanbada aina share tawzariba products sing se face wash ne aduga ngasi gi face wash animak se yam siznabada yam nungai irritation kemta thokpa leite both of them ahanbagi face wash se Biotique bio pineapple oil control foaming face wash ne sigi face wash se normal to oily skin da hena chanagani ne iye but sigi product se moigi su dry to sensitive skin gi range lakpane honey gi oiba amasu lakpane if you have dry skin maybe you can try that sigi Biotique face wash range say this is a very good and affordable face wash range next aina share tawzari se EQUIL gi fruit AHA face wash ne sigi face wash sigi the best part is much non-comedogenic oye haidi ma se it will not clog your pores aduga moina all skin types hana iye sigi face wash se if you want an exfoliating AHA yauba face wash ama pam targadi I think this is a very good option for under 500 rupees sigi face wash sigi full review hanagi aigi video ama laibane channel sida ai makha gi description box da link to hapcharake please check that out next share tawzariba products set toner ne actually I have 4 toner options ahanbada aina khangachaba toner se rose water ne aigi ngasigi se Dabur gi Gulabari dune but you can pick up any rose water honestly aigi opinion didi yam simple oiba aduga natural oiba toner ama pam targadi you cannot go wrong with the rose water next aigi product se Loreal Paris gi Revitalift crystal micro essence dune sigi product se moina essence ana haibane essence haibase basically it's a more concentrated version of a toner sigi Loreal gi Revitalift ki essence this is a very nice product hadi ma se taiba kana it feels really good on the skin aduga sigi product se salicylic acid suyawe so it will help you clear out your skin and your pores but sigi product sigi only negative point se ma se alcohol yawe not even denatured alcohol but mase apply to wakanda akoi skin da alcohol tairo matung da dry over feeling do adu du dising pp de so if you don't mind the alcohol I think sigi Loreal gi essence this is a very good option next aina khanga chariba toner se again Loreal gi ne aduga sisina white perfect whitening and moisturizing toner haye sigi toner say this is a very nice toner especially winter seasons today I think this will be very good haidi akoi skin sida it actually gives a moisturizing feeling aduga sigi mathakta we don't need a very heavy moisturizer even yam dry over season dasu a very lightweight moisturizer will be enough sigi toner say it has some very good ingredients like glycerin niacinamide aduga lactic acid so yawe sisu like the other Loreal essence to masu alcohol yawe denatured paunataba but then again sigi toner sisu akoi gi skin da yam dry oba alcohol gi nungai taba feeling do irritation thokpodo adu du disung thokte so just like the other Loreal one if you don't mind the alcohol I think this is actually a very good toner next Eggy toner say Biotique bio cucumber pore tightening toner with Himalayan waters tune sigi toner say this is one of the best toners available in India magi price ga yeng taragadi this is a very good product sigi toner say tei bakanda khoi da irritation thokpa redness tawba adugumdo kemta thokte sigi toner say I feel it actually works to minimize our pores sisu again normal to oily skin high but moigi sigi su range atopa laibane if you have a different skin type sigi toner say performance wise I don't actually have a negative thing to say but magi personally aingona nungaijadaba se magi manam se it's very strong ai wakal dadi hadi akhoi gi yam typical oiba detergent ki manam do adu du manam me but if you don't mind yam heavily scented oiba products sing kaishu khanbal leita taragadi this is a value for money. Next aina share tawzari se serum ne aduga 500 rupees ki makha da label serum which actually works on our skin se ama khatang khakne aina ngasi oxygen jarak padadi aduga si se Biotique ki Dandelion Visibly Ageless serum ne sigi serum se for all skin types haina iye sigi serum se magi price point sigi yengna tardi I think this is of very high quality. Hadimana sigi magi bottles da eva visibly repairs and rebalances the skin hana eva se ayajaninge because akhoi ki skin se it gives a very healthy look. Sigi Biotique ki serum se 100% quality value for money ne. Next aina share tawzari se moisturizers khara ne. Ahanbada aina share tawzari moisturizer se simple gi hydrating light moisturizers ne. This is one of my favorite moisturizers. Haidi masem lightweight oibanina. See product ki full review to aigi channel da already yaurabane ai video description da hapcharake. If yam lightweight oiba natraga matte oiba moisturizer natabagi option pam taragadi I have 3 options. Ahanbagi se Lakme Peach Milk Soft Creme ne. Next Pond's ki light moisturizer non-oily fresh feel. Aduga last Dove ki deep moisturization cream with no greasy feel ne. Sigi moisturizer ahum se ayi wakal ji drier oiba season especially winter seasons tana hena chana gani na khalle. Aduga as compared to the simple one si ahum sigi texture se sisna a little thicker aduga finish desu more moisturization pibagi feeling do adiduma piye. Honestly, ayi wakaladi sigi Lakme, Pond's, aduga Dove ki moisturizer se they almost perform equally, but they have very different scents. Aduna, I think it comes down to the choice. Next aina share tawzari se eye cream ne. Aduga nga sigi sina Aroma Magic ki under eye gel ne. Sigi eye cream se ay tha ahum muk sizinare. Aduga it costs only 240 rupees but magi performance se it's very high quality. Haidi under eye se brighten to wada yam mateng pange. Aduga sigi eye cream se akhoi gi under eye area se yam hydrated ohelle aduga yam moisturized ohelle. Eye cream sisu another yung high quality oiba affordable oiba product ne. Last aina share tawzari se aloe vera gel ne. Aduga nga sigi sina the face shop ki Jeju aloe ne. Sigi product se 99% aloe vera oi hai aduga it has some other added ingredients. Sometimes aloe vera gel se kana gumana di manam kemta yaudaba yam natural oibado pamna ba prefer to bane but sigi aloe vera gel se di perfume yawe. On top of that, like many other Korean beauty mase alcohol denatured yawe. Sometimes sigi aloe vera gel se I use it as a moisturizer. Haidi akhoi gi skin se am oily oiba numit kumbada and I don't want to apply anything heavy. Adu kanda I use this. Nga sigi di sidalo sinjarage. Thank you. Bye.